Hello friends, welcome to Code Mummy. Today we will understand about binary search. So it is a searching algorithm for searching an element in a sorted list or array. What is a sorted list? Let's take this example, sorted list or array, okay? So let's take this example. In this array, all the elements are in increasing order. 1, 2, 5, 8, 12, 16, 23, 38, 56, 72 and 91. All these elements are in increasing order. That is, here 2 is greater than 1 and 5 is greater than 2. Like this, it will keep increasing. This is a sorted array. So for a sorted array, we will use binary search. It is more efficient than the linear search as its time complexity is O of log n. So let's understand the algorithm for the binary search. After that, we will take an example. Let x be the element to be searched. Now compare the x, that is the element to be searched, with the middle element of the array. Here, which is the middle element? Here 16 is the middle element. Now, so first let's compare x, that is the element to be searched, with the middle element. If x is same as the mid element, return the mid index. So if mid element is equal to the element to be searched, we will return the mid element's index. Else if x is greater than the mid element, so if x is greater than the mid element, so if x is greater than mid element, it will be always found in the right half, right? It can't be found in the left half because all the elements are smaller than mid. So there is no chance of it found here. And if else if x is smaller than the mid element, we will search x in the left half. That is, we will search x here and we will ignore the right half. Like this, we will search recursively. Let's see an example and understand it properly. Let's take an example and see how binary search works. This is an array consisting of 10 elements and it has 0 based indexing. So this array has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements. So now first we have to calculate mid. How we will calculate mid? Mid is nothing but low plus high divided by 2, or mid is low plus high minus low by 2. This low should be added to high minus low by 2. You can calculate mid even like this or even like this. So first let's take mid. Mid in this array is 0. That is starting index. Low is where it starts, starting index, and high is where it ends. So 0 plus 9 divided by 2. That is nothing but 4.5. We have to take the floor value. So that is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. This is the mid element now. Okay. So now in binary search, let's take the element to be searched as 23. So this is the element which we are searching for. Now we should check this with the mid element. What is the mid element? What is the array of mid? Array of mid is nothing but 16. Now we should compare this with the element to be searched. If the element to be searched is greater than mid, that is array of mid, the element to be searched, let's take element to be searched this as x. If this x is greater than array of mid, we should search in the right half. So as 23 is greater than 16, we should search in the right half and totally ignore the left half, because this is a sorted array, and in the sorted array all these elements will be lower than the element to be searched. So now we will search in the right half, only in the right half. So now as we are searching in the right half, so this will be remaining. So here again we should calculate mid. So what is mid here? Here again low is nothing but 5, high is nothing but 9. So 5 plus 9 divided by 2. So is equal to 11. 9 plus 5 is 14 by 2 is equal to 7. So now the mid element is array of mid, that is array of 7, that is nothing but 56. So again we should check for 23. As the element to be searched, which is 23, is smaller than 56, we should search in the left half of the mid. Here the mid is 56 and we should now search in the left half of the mid. That is, we should search in this part. So as element to be searched is smaller than array of mid, that is 23 is smaller than 56, we should search in the left half of the mid, that is this part. Before this step only this was remaining, and now for this, as we found the mid as 56, and after this, as 23 is smaller than 56, we should search in this half. As the element to be searched is, there is no chance to that to be found here, so we will search here. So now again mid is equal to low plus high by 2. So what is low here? 5. And what is high here? 6. So 5 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 11 by 2. This is nothing but 5.5. Then the floor value is 5. So now what is our array of mid? Array of mid is nothing but array of 5. And array of 5 is 23. Now as array of mid is equal to the element to be searched 23, so we will return the index of array of mid, that is nothing but 5. So this is how a binary search works. So let us quickly look at the code for the binary search. Here let's take that example which we studied few minutes back. Here the low was pointing at array of 0, right? So that's why we took low as 0, because it will point at the first index. There is nothing but the 0th index of the array. And high will point at n minus 1. So n minus 1 is nothing but 9, because the array elements, the number of array elements present here are 10. N is equal to 10 here. So we'll point high at the n minus 1. So next we had considered 3 cases. That is, if the element to be searched is equal to the array of mid. If the element to be searched is equal to the array of mid, what we'll do, we'll return the mid, right? Will the return mid. And if element to be searched is smaller than the array of mid, if that element to be searched is present here, right? If x element to be searched is smaller than array of mid, it will be present in the left half. So for that, we'll keep the low as low, but we'll change high to mid minus 1, right? So we'll change high to mid minus 1, and low will be kept as low. And the last case is if x is greater than array of mid. If x is greater than array of mid, then the element to be searched will be present in the right half, that is here. So in this case, we'll make low as mid plus 1. This is nothing but our mid, right? So this becomes mid minus 1 and this becomes mid plus 1. So we'll change low to mid plus 1. So this is what we'll do in the code. So mid is low plus high by 2, and if x is equal to array of mid, we will return mid. And if in case x is smaller than array of mid, we'll make high as mid minus 1. Here the same thing, it is present in the left half. And if the other way round, if x is greater than array of mid, we'll make low as mid plus 1 and we'll keep the high as same. That's what we did here. And while loop, while this all statements should run till our element to be searched is found. So till low is smaller than high, will run the all these statements. Okay. So till the element is found, we'll run this loop. And when high becomes greater than low, high becomes greater than equal to low, this loop will stop. If the element to be searched is not found, we will return -1. After this while loop, we will return -1. This code will run with a time complexity of O of log n in the worst case. Notes and code for all this will be provided in the description. This is the iterative approach. If you want to go through the recursive approach, you can go through the code provided in the description. Thank you.